My name is Margaret and I from PP2. This year, we had a chance to take our learners to the village market. The kids were so much excited about the news.
And we are sitting here as you play.
Hi, I'm Taraji. I like the way I jumped in the trampolines. The slide was so fun, and I even want to go there for my birthday. My trip was so fun. I played with everything we had. My name is Letitia Perez Azambo Adis, and I was playing with my friends Lina, Chanel, and Candice.
We went and cut a cake so that we can celebrate all of us together with the learners.